everybody, how are we all? Today I'm going to be doing a collab with Food From Afar. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description. The other week we done one where she sent me a few ingredients that I had to cook with, plus cupboard stuff and all that, and I've sent her one. And for some reason, I don't know why, I've never cooked what I'm going to cook today on my channel. I don't know why I haven't, but we're going to do it today anyway. Let me show you. Right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a chicken pasta tray bake. I don't think I've ever done one on my channel before. So, something new anyway. I've got some chicken breasts. I'm probably just used 2. There's 4 in there. I've got myself some sweet mini peppers, 1 onion, crushed chilies, can of tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, bit of mascarpone, cherry tomatoes, I said 1 onion. I'm going to have a bit of dark brown sugar just to sweeten up the tomatoes, some cheddar and some pasta. Nice and simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my water on my pan, and then I want to get my pasta in, and while that's in I can chop everything up then. Okay, this is everything I've cut up. I cut up the 4 chicken breasts. I butterflied them and then just chopped them all up so they cook for quicker. I thought I might as well do the 4, then I can just pack it up, can't I then? 1 onion, I use my Aldi chopper upper, and 3 peppers, sweet peppers, different colours, 4 garlic cloves, and 1/4 of a punnet, I don't know, about 7 or 8 cherry toms. Right, the water's boiling for the pasta, so we will get the pasta in. Okay, I'll just put a bit of salt in the water there. I forgot to tell you that. Now obviously this all depends on how many you're doing it for, doesn't it? So I'm just going to put some pasta in anyway. We're going to get that cooked. This is only like the cheap everyday essential from Aldi, that. That's all that is. We will give it a stir, and we'll let that cook. And in the meantime, I've got my pan warming up for my chicken. Right, bit of oil in the pan. I'm just using my old thing, but just put a tablespoon or whatever you want in there. And we're going to get the chicken in. If I can find my spoon. There it is. I'm just going to sear this up, that's all. Sear the chicken. Nice and simple. That'll do with the chicken. We're going to get the chicken out. We're going to put it in a bowl. Then I'm going to clean the pan. We're going to get your peppers and your good old onion in there. We're going to fry them up for about 5 minutes till they go translucent. Okay, they've been about 5 minutes now. Caramelising up a little bit. Now get me 4 cloves of garlic in. And I'm just going to get a few chilli flakes in there. Obviously to your taste, I suppose. And we'll give that 1 minute. I've drained my pasta and I've put it in. I've rinsed it under the cold water. So that's all done. Now, my chopped tomatoes. Put a tin in or 2 tins, it's up to you. However you want it, I suppose. And what we're going to do, we're going to simmer that down for probably 5 or 10 minutes. Just to get rid of some of that juice. I've just put another tin of tomatoes in. Had it in the cupboard, so I've just stuck it in because I'm thinking I've got quite a lot of chicken there and I've got quite a lot of pasta. So we want the sauce to be, I want enough sauce, so I'll put another one in anyway. And I'm just going to stick a teaspoon or so of sugar in there. Don't have to use brown. I've got brown, so I'm using that. just to sweeten up your good old tomatoes. Okay guys, most of that water is gone now. There we go, look, did I tell you I did put another tin of tomatoes in there? I think I did, I can't remember. Anyway, I did anyway. Now we're going to put some mascarpone in. I'm not sure how much to put in. I might put in like about 5 and we'll see, eh? 5 tablespoons. I suppose it's just to your creaminess, I suppose, isn't it? We'll see. Get in there. We'll try that with 5 first. I'm going to turn that right down now. I'm just going to mix it all in now, guys. Going to mix it all in. Oh yeah, looking nice now. Look, it's coming together, and it's coming together. Okay, guys, we're ready to dish up now. Well, not dish up, go in the oven. I was just going to do one in there, like. But then I thought, if I do 2, we just have one each, can't we, on the plate then? So that's what I'm going to do. I've got 2 pie dishes. And I'm going to do 2. I'm going to get the pasta in the bottom of each one. There's loads more there. Look, I could make some more, couldn't I? Let's put that pasta in that one, because that could probably go in the oven as well. You never know. If I've got enough. Chicken. Get some chicken on. Don't forget the chicken's not quite cooked yet. Look. Yeah, I could probably make a bigger one here as well, which is probably what I'll do. Well, I've got the oven on, might as well. A few bits of chicken there. Now your sauce. Sauce will find its own place once it starts cooking. And then some cheese on top. We're going to make it all nice and gooey, innit? And that's what I've got the tomatoes for. I'm just going to stick them on top. Like that. Because why not, eh? There's quite a lot here, to be honest with you. I don't think I'm going to eat all this in this one, because one of these will do 2 of you. Right, and I'm going to stick them in the oven so the cheese is nice and golden. Okay guys, we are all done. I'm going to get them out now. Oh, there's the one. Oh yes. And there's the other one. I don't think the other one's quite brown enough yet. No, the other one is. The bigger one that I'll put in. Well, there they are. Boiling hot at the minute, so I can't really eat them. And it's only me, I just forgot Nat's had to go up to the doctor's. So if she comes back by the time it's cool enough, she can have it. If not, hers can go in the oven. I just put it on like 100 degrees or something just to keep it warm. Yeah, so I'll let them cool down and we will have a taste. Okay then, it's cooled down a little bit now. It's still warm, but it's cooled down a little bit. I can just about pick it up now. There it is. And I'm going to show you. So let's put it like this and have a look. If I put that there, I've got a bowl. Let's see if I can cut around it a bit like this, if you get what I mean. Nice crispy bit there, look. Still boiling up, that is, guys. Still boiling up. Maybe we can cut it in half and see if I can get it out. I'm not sure I'll be able to, but we can have a go, can't we? We can have a go. Ow, it's hot. Bring that bowl that way. Give me a spatula, that's good job I'm prepared. I'm just trying to show you, that's all. Ow. There we go. Put them there. That's the inside of it, look. Still nice and soft, all that pasta is. And there's mine. Yes, I've got a bowl full there, look, and there's half there. So you could have one between you, couldn't you? Or one on your own. So if you have one between you, that's what, 2, 4, 6? 6 portions. All right, let's have a crack. It's going to be too hot, man. Oh, hot. That is delicious. And all that cheese, that's lovely. That's really nice. It's very hot. The crispy cheese. I'm saying just season to your taste, that's all. That's lovely for me. Oh, I think that'll like that. That's really nice. That's really, really nice. I'm going to enjoy it. I'll eat all that, I will. You can make it simpler, can't you, boy? Jar bolognese sauce or something, and just do it that way if you wanted to. And have like a bolognese cheese on top in the oven with a bit of chicken. Jobs are good, or even with your mince if you wanted to. Cheese on top in the oven. Probably be a lot quicker. But I wanted to do something a little bit different, as you say. As I say, that is absolutely delicious. I'm going to enjoy that, and I'm going to eat all of that as well. Definitely 100%. Could have done with a bit of a garlic bread or something with it, to be honest with you. But this is going to fill me up. As I say, I'll leave a link to Food From Afar's channel down there. I am the Old Food Guy. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. One more bit while I'm on the camera. Delicious.